How to share where you're traveling to on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily add where you're traveling to on your Facebook status. So let's just jump right in. Open up your Facebook application first and make sure that you are logged into your account. So what most people would do is go to what's on your mind to post a status. And here you'll find the location option that says check-in. But this option is not for where you are traveling to. But what you can do is you can add the places where you've been to from this option. So what you can do next is go back. In order to add where you are traveling to, you need to go to feelings or activity. And right here, you can add different kind of feelings. And right besides that, you have the activities tab. Just tap on it. Now here you have multiple activities, celebrating, watching, eating, drinking. And then you'll see this plane icon and it says traveling to. Now once you tap on it, you can add whatever place you want from here. Just tap on it. And once you tap on the uh, location, you should be able to add the option traveling to which place. And then just tap on post and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.